everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm super excited to share with you this healthy recipe which is sweet potato curry. So without further ado, let's get into it guys. 100% plant-based, good for you, good for the animals and good for the planet. First thing we're going to be doing is taking some spring onions, some red pepper, a regular potato and a sweet potato, and also some ginger as well. I'm going to start by peeling the sweet potato like so. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamins and minerals. They also promote gut health and they're also loaded with antioxidants. They also support a healthy vision, but I would also be very careful with sweet potatoes because they do contain starch. So don't say I didn't warn you guys. Now just taking the regular potato and peeling it the same way, and then we're going to chop it all up. Potatoes contain magnesium, fiber and antioxidants. Now just chopping up the red bell pepper. Bell peppers are a really good source of antioxidants as well. Also contain vitamin C, which promotes a healthy immune system as well. Just taking some organic ginger and I'm just peeling the skin off, and then I'm just going to grate it like so with a little grater. I just swear by ginger, it's really good at detoxing your body. And I've also made a recipe on ginger tea. If we'll link the video down below. And I'm just taking some spring onions and just chopping them up. These are a really good source of vitamin C and calcium. Now just chopping up a regular brown onion. Onions are loaded with antioxidants. They can help control blood sugar levels. They've also got antibacterial properties. Also be used as a natural antihistamine, so bear that in mind if you suffer from allergies. And I'm just showing you guys, I'm actually eating one of my homemade organic gingerbread men, and if you want to know the recipe, I'm going to link it down below, as this recipe as well will literally heal your body from within. And what other biscuit in the world does that? None, apart from mine. Before you start judging me about this pan, this is the frying pan, so do not judge me if it looks mashed up. It most likely is. So I'm just taking some grapeseed oil, which is high in omega-6 and vitamin E, and we're gonna basically fry our sweet potato and our regular potato in this oil. Also just wanted to show you that I'm eating my healthy breakfast. If you want the recipe to that, I'll also link it down below, since this is a shameless plug. Once they're nice and fried, I'm just going to take them out and I'm just going to add them onto this kitchen roll to catch some of the excess oil. Just patting it with kitchen roll to soak up any of the excess oil. Now it's time to make the curry sauce. So I'm just taking some grapeseed oil, pouring it in like so. It's basically going to be the base of our curry sauce. I'm now just taking the onions, the peppers and the ginger, and then we're going to saute it all together. What in the deuce? I didn't chop that properly. Taking some coriander, guys. I'm obsessed with coriander. Did you know, guys, it's such a good source of iron and it can actually regulate menstruation. Did you guys know I'm even growing my own coriander plant, which is so exciting, and it's so simple and easy. All I did is basically throw the seeds into some organic soil and voila. It's super simple and super easy, and you just have your own, save you going to the grocery store. Anyways, back to the recipe. I've just added in some organic cayenne pepper, and I'm now just adding in some ground ginger pepper. Ginger powder, sorry guys. And I'm just adding in some peas as well, and we're just going to basically caramelize all these beautiful ingredients and saute it. And I've just added in some bay leaf, and I've also added in some peas as well. It's time for the curry seasoning, and I'm using Hot Madras curry powder. Always make sure you check your seasoning ingredients to make sure they do not contain any harsh chemicals or preservatives. And this is like, I've checked the ingredients. The only ingredient that I'm a little bit iffy about is ionized salt. But I'm going to overlook it for this one, guys, because I couldn't find a curry powder that's 100% pure clean. I've just added in some organic passata, which is basically tomatoes. And we're just going to bring it to boil, and I'm just adding in a little bit spring water like so. And I'm just adding in some chili flakes. I like to tweak as I go, so I always add in less, and I always taste my food to ensure that the taste is to my liking. I'm now just adding in the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna let it boil and let all the seasonings marinate together. And my other cooking tip is I like to use fresh lime. I squeeze it into my sauces, and this really adds a kick to the sauce and leaves your sauce feeling zesty. And I'm also just showing you real quick my own coriander plant, which I'm super impressed with. It's time to prep the side salad that I'm going to be eating alongside this. I'm just using romaine lettuce and my favourite cherry tomatoes, and then some organic cucumber. That's like my go-to salad, and I also like to add red onions sometimes as well. Now it's time to plate it up. Ensure that you boil this and let your tomatoes cook thoroughly. And you can team this with quinoa if you want to be super healthy, or you can do it with white rice, brown rice. I've got white rice today, guys. Not the healthiest option, but what can I say? I'm a sucker for white rice. So I've got the side salad I'm teaming it up with. There you basically have it, guys. Time for the taste test with Ty and Kay. Just plated up this much for them to try. Right. Could you sit up, Tyrese, please? Thank you. I appreciate it.
Can I have a spoon, please?
Right. Here's the spoon.
Thank you.
Caden, come on. Come off the crazy. How does that taste? Caden, would you like to try?
That. What's that soup? Delicious soup.
Told ya, it's yummy.
What's the soup? The soup is yummy.
I told ya. That's why it's good to try new things. Caden, you have a try. Okay, try. Put it in your mouth, Kay. It's really yummy. Do you like it, Ty? It's sweet, isn't it?
I want to try it, bye. I want to try bye. I hope you like it,
Well done, Tyrese. Try some of the potato.
What?
The sweet potato.
What?
How would you rate the food, guys? Out of what?
1,000 out of 10.
What?
1,000 out of 10,000.
Is it good?
I rate it. I'll be nice. I rate it 8 out of 10.
Oh, thank you. What would you rate it, Kay?
Oh, I said 10. But it is chili.
1,000 out of 1,000. Yeah, it's quite spicy. I'll grab you some water.
I said 10,000 out of 1,000. Hey, pass my Arsenal water bottle.
Okay, here you go. So,
Bye.
Caden, sit down and say what you wanted to say. Make sure
You like and subscribe to all of our videos. And also turn on all notification bells so you're in contact with us. Thank you. And
thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for loads more. Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
infinite potential.
I am limitless.
I am limitless.
The limits only exist within my mind.
The limits only exist within my mind. That's what you need to
I am the very best. There's no one in the world better than me.
There's no one can stop me.
There's no one in the world better than me.
There's no one in the world better than me.
And I am not better than anyone else.
And I'm not better than anyone else.
I am the very best.
We're all the same. And I am the very best.
I am limitless potential.
I'm limitless potential.
I'm infinite potential.
I'm infinite potential. I'm limitless.
I am limitless. You say it, Ty.
Limitless.
I am limitless. And what else? I am infinite potential.
I am infinite potential.
Hayden, put your feet down, please.